Welcome to the vlog of today. So, another day in the mountain. Me and Lucrezia are not talking so much, but it's fine. I can do it by myself. So Kira is annoying a little bit today. But join us. Can I sit 1 second? Whoa, this is big. Pretty big. Look, here's the wolf, we find it. So white. I'm talking in silent to the camera, and everyone can hear me, but you can't. So I can say shit about you. As you see, the ice today is much more icy and not like a powder. So this is cool. There is a river there, and it's super close. Come with me, come with me. I have the dogs. Watch your step, watch your step. Bienvenidos a la Cartagena. This is wolf that we just catch. We catch this wolf here. Is a wild one, white one, but it's super aggressive. Oh my god! Put here. This is supposed to block this. There is the village. This is supposed to block the bears and the wolves and the demons. This is made of 1 million volt of electricity. You touch it, you die. Okay, it's super important. Let's continue. Venite. No.
Is nothing happened?
It is. It's super scary. It's super dangerous.
Are you
Let's go. And this. You record? You start?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
You point at me?
Yeah.
Wolf can jump on us any second.
Well, you're joking.
No, I'm
You want
serious.
To be real?
This place is wild. We should not be here. Don't come. Go. Let's see about this camera a little bit. This camera is super nice. Super small. Super nice and small. It's amazing. For young girls that don't know how to film nothing, we can really do everything
Thank you
for
to
you.
give me the younger.
There, there's a bridge. This bridge where they hang Mussolini here in Italy. They
Really close to Milan, in Como exactly.
right after the bridge, Switzerland. Here, this is Milan.
Then is
Switzerland.
Narnia also.
Yeah. Let's go.
Slippery, yeah, pay attention.
Look, I managed to restrain this dog. This wolf. Come here! No! Just to catch Mussolini and to act like they were not best friends.
Is that so high to die?
Yeah, but it was 80 years ago. It means that it was much higher. Then the snow covers.
No, what you do with the mud?
Look, he's watching us. The wild dog. Super wild.
Whoa, I cannot believe. We have to do this? I cannot do that.
You want to do this hike? It's not so bad, you know.
No, it's
But
but I lost one liver which is the organ to use
lungs.
long one.
Long. You speak English?
No.
I know, I know.
Okay, tell me something, I will tell you the translation. Something that you don't know.
That I don't know English? How I tell you something that I don't know English?
Tell me in Italian.
Can I do a little compare between the cameras?
Yeah.
Let's see, like, what look better? Osmo Pocket 3? Sony A7 III. What better? This place is beautiful. Come with me, come with me. This is the place where the leaders of the Roman Empire was hiding after the fall. They were hiding right here. They are still inside, they are sleeping, so we'll be quiet. Okay? When they fall down, they came here.